Hello guys, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to transfer USDT from Binance to OKX. First, open your OKX app. Click on Assets on the bottom right of your screen. Click on Deposit. These three options pop up. Click on Deposit Crypto. Search for USDT and click on it. You also need to select Network, then select TRC20. Copy your address. Now, open your Binance app. Click on Assets on the bottom right corner. Then, click on Send. These four options pop up. Select Withdraw Asset. Now, search for USDT. Then, click on it. Now, paste your address that you copied from OKX in the address bar. Now, select the network. Remember, we choose TRC20. Here, you could put the amount you'd like. The minimum is 5 USDT with 1.5 network fee. Then click on Withdraw button in the bottom of your screen. After putting all these informations, make a simple verification of the address and the network. Then click on Confirm. If this video helped you, like, share, and subscribe to Aladeen Tricks for more tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.